Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. This is from Supreme. It was dropped on the Black Friday for November 23rd, 2018, week number 14. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. This is the hand warmer. Cordura nylon hand warmer with the Polotech 200 fleece lining and waist strap. Printed logo on front. I was surprised that I copped this. This one is the red color with the white font. So let's go ahead and get this open up. So as you can see, come with the Supreme gift bag. This time around, the gift bag, the box logo, it is darker red than compared to the previous shopping bag. So I'm not sure they mix the color wrong or what. So let's go ahead and take this out. What? My bad, this is the cap. I'm not sure why they fold it like this. Normally come with the box. So I'm not sure if Supreme went cheap or why it's cheaper to ship it like this. So this one is the BOUCLE camp cap. Fall winter right there. 18, 10 color. And that is the barcode. So my bad, I'm not sure why I didn't get the hand warmer yet. At first I thought this was it because of the... Anyway, it was dropped on the Black Friday as well. So I decided to cop this cap because to match with the Sesame shoes that I picked up from Adidas, the 350 V2. And the reason I copped this because of the red box logo. Got two of this air and ventilation holes right here on the side. And then on this side as well. So the design is pretty weird. Yes, threading I left unfinished or something like that. At first I thought that was a lint. I was about to pick it up, take it off. So normally Thursday I will receive my shipment already, so I'm not sure why I haven't got my hand warmer. So the brim look kind of like out of shape. You had to bend it a little bit. And this is a adjustable strap. I guess, yeah, you push down here to take it out. This one looks kind of cheap. Hopefully it's not going to break off in the long run or crack. It's pretty thin on both sides. says made in USA, 100%, 92% cotton, 5% acrylic, 2% polyester, 1% nylon. And they come with one of the red box logo sticker. All right. So as you can see, I can give you the comparison. Put it right next to the bag. As you can see, this is much more brighter red compared to this one. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, wow. I get 2 at the box logo sticker. Didn't realize it. Anyway, peace.